In this video, I will be showing you how to turn off Copilot AI in Microsoft Edge. Let's get started. First, I click on the Windows search bar at the bottom of the screen. I see Microsoft Edge right at the top of my recent list, so I go ahead and click it to open the browser. Once the browser opens up, it loads a clean new tab page. From here, I navigate to the top right corner of the window and click on the three horizontal dots to open up the main menu. I scroll down through the menu options until I find Settings, which is near the bottom, and I click on it. This opens up the Edge settings page. On the left-hand sidebar, I look for the option labeled Copilot and AI and click on it. This brings up all the specific settings for the AI companion. Now, I will start turning off the features one by one. The first setting is the Show Copilot button in the toolbar. I click the green toggle switch on the right side to turn it off. Next, I look at the Copilot New Tab page option and click its green toggle switch to turn that off as well. I continue down the page to find the setting Allow Cowork to take actions on your behalf, and I click its green toggle switch to disable it. To see the changes take effect, I open up a new tab by clicking the plus icon at the top of the browser. Notice how clean the page looks now without the AI elements. I switch back to the Settings tab to double-check the options. Just to be absolutely sure and demonstrate how it looks, I go ahead and toggle all three switches back to green to turn them on. I opened another new tab to show that the Copilot interface is back, including the chat button on the right. I click back onto the Settings tab once more to complete the process. I turn off the Show Copilot button in Toolbar toggle, then the Copilot New Tab page toggle, and finally the Allow Cowork to take actions on your behalf toggle. I open one last new tab to confirm everything is set, and as you can see, the Copilot features are successfully disabled. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.